Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Zanella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. Today I'm going to take you somewhere different. I just sold a house to a lovely family, and tonight we're going to do a virtual walkthrough. And I want to share it with you because this house is not specifically in Prescott, it's in Dewey Humboldt, which is part of the Quad City area. Prescott Valley, Chino Valley, and Dewey Humboldt. Dewey Humboldt is about 20-25 minutes east of Prescott, a little south, and it's more of a rural community. People love Dewey because you can bring horses in many communities because you have acreage. This house in particular that I just sold sits on almost 4 acres. Beautiful piece of property, beautiful house with stunning views. Here we go, guys. We are at the house and that's amazing. It's so quiet and peaceful. I'm gonna be virtually meeting my client in about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy the quiet and peace and views of this amazing place. I would like to give a shout out to Juan and Leona for allowing me to help them in the purchase of this beautiful house. Dewey Humboldt is a wonderful place to relax, live with space. The house is over 3,300 square feet and it sits on almost 4 acres of land. If you like this episode from the beautiful Dewey Humboldt, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long, my friends.